A garden doesn't need rare plants or a large budget to look refined and well-designed. What makes a garden feel expensive is how plants behave, how they fill space, and how they create balance and structure. Certain plants naturally bring calm, cohesion, and visual weight that elevate the entire landscape. Today, we're looking at plants that make a garden feel intentional, polished, and quietly high-end. Boxwood instantly brings structure to a garden. Its clean form creates visual order and defines space without drawing too much attention. In design, repetition signals intention. Using boxwood along paths or borders makes a garden feel planned rather than improvised. Hydrangeas add fullness without feeling messy. Their large blooms soften hard lines and create visual luxury through scale and texture. Planted in groups, they give the garden a sense of abundance that reads as mature and established. The next plant is subtle, but it quietly changes how the entire garden is perceived. Ornamental grasses bring movement and rhythm. Feather reed grass stands upright and controlled, adding height without chaos. When it catches light and wind, it introduces motion that makes the space feel dynamic and thoughtfully layered. A single elegant tree can elevate an entire garden. Japanese maples add refinement through delicate foliage and graceful branching. Instead of filling space, they define it, creating a focal point that feels curated and calm. Lavender adds both structure and softness. Its silvery foliage reflects light and blends easily with other plants. When used in repetition, it creates cohesion that makes a garden feel intentional and well-maintained. Expensive-looking gardens are not about excess. They are built on restraint, balance, and plants that behave well together. When structure and softness work in harmony, the garden feels calm, refined, and complete.